Hey everyone, welcome back. It's day number 2 of what I eat in a day. I'm trying to upload a video every single day of what I eat as I get back into my whole food plant-based diet. And I'll say mostly whole food plant-based diet because I do eat some things that would be considered a little more processed, like breads, or maybe tofu even some people would consider to be more processed. I prefer, honestly, I was thinking about this morning, the term real food plant-based diet, because that's pretty much what I'm focusing on at this point, is just getting back into my nourishing foods that help me feel my best. Okay, it's time to fix breakfast, and you guys are probably going to get sick of seeing what I have to eat every day because I eat usually the same thing and I make it the same way, is my oatmeal. And I usually eat the quick cooking oats because I like the texture of these the best. I also am working, so I don't have a whole lot of time to fix breakfast, so these cook really fast. I'll eat rolled oats, they're just not my favorite. It's kind of a texture thing for me. And I really like steel cut oats, but they do take a long time to prepare. So I usually stick with the quick, and then I put a dash of cinnamon on there. And usually I put a tablespoon of ground flax seeds on my oatmeal, but I don't have any ground up right now and I'm too lazy to do that. So I just add my water, and once my oatmeal is cooked, then I add a handful of frozen blueberries and stir those in. So that's what I'm having, again, is my blueberry oatmeal, and today I cooked a side of steamed kale. This is leftover from the other day. I probably will show you guys how I do this because I eat so much kale now as a result of doing it this way. I love this, and I put onions, mushrooms, and garlic in it, and ooh, it is so good. It smells delicious. So that's what I'm having for breakfast, and I'll see you guys back either for snack or lunch. Okay guys, it is time for lunch. So what I did was I microwaved one of these 60-second pasta packets, and you can see that there is a tiny bit of extra virgin olive oil in that. This is why I encourage you to read labels and get things that are in line with how you eat. I'm okay with a trace amount of olive oil in this, but you have to decide whether any amount of oil is okay with you. But I took most of that package of pasta, and I had some steamed broccoli in the fridge, so I heated that up. We had pizzas the other night, homemade pizzas, and we have plenty of the sauce left over, so that's what I threw in there. I know it's not technically pasta sauce, but it works. And then I had some chopped romaine with a little bit of my cashew ranch, so I'm gonna have a little side salad with that. And then it's time for Rayton to have his lunch too, right? You having lunch? And I put kibble in a ball for him so he gets a little bit of playtime too. All right, lunch is done, and as you guys can probably tell by the trend here, I get the bulk of my calories from starches, and then I'm trying to fill half my plate with non-starchy vegetables. And I forgot how satiating eating this way is. I didn't even eat all of my lunch. I thought easily I was gonna polish it all off. I didn't, I was full. And the nice thing about this is I feel satiated, and in between meals, I'm not constantly thinking about food. And then when I'm hungry, I'm genuinely hungry. I know it's time to eat something and I want something nutritious. So just thought I'd throw that in there, but I am gonna go finish some work, and if I need a snack, I'll get a snack. If not, I will see you guys back for dinner. And now I am having a little snack. I am having some Ticino and a banana. And Jim made me a salad. All right, so for dinner, again, having some more romaine lettuce with some of my cashew ranch, and I'm having Wegmans sushi tonight. So I have the vegetable roll, and then they have a new tofu mushroom roll, so I tried that one. So that is what's for dinner. Okay guys, it's 8:30 at night, and I actually don't feel like eating anything else this evening. I did get some fresh fruit today, just in case I wanted a snack tonight, but don't feel like I need anything. I went for a walk. I'm gonna read my book and just enjoy the sounds out here. You can probably hear birds. There's a fox barking outside. I'm just gonna listen to the sounds of a beautiful summer night. All right, I will see you guys back tomorrow for day number 3. Hope you have a good night.